Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make certain contacts ring on silent when using an Android. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Contacts app. So just find the contact that you want to allow to ring through. Then tap on their name to open the contact details. Next, tap the star icon to mark them as a favorite. Then set up Do Not Disturb. So on your settings, just look for this option on your phone, and then tap on sound and vibration or sound and notification on some devices, and then select Do Not Disturb, then tap on Allow Exceptions or Priority Only Allows. And then customize DND settings. So just under the Calls section, select Starred Contacts Only. This will allow calls from your starred contacts to ring even when DND is enabled. Then finally, enable Do Not Disturb, so you can manually enable DND from the Quick Settings menu or set a schedule for it. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.